Welcome to JSConf.Asia and JSPardy. Who knows Jeopardy and wants to participate? Please applaud. All right, so who of you knows Jeopardy? Hands up. We prepared a few little things. That's very few. It seems like it's not a thing here in Asia, really, but it's a really fun game show where the contestants need to find the right question to an answer. They can win prizes today. We actually have some here. Like this is an iPad Pro. Whoa. That's got to be the first prize, and I don't want to make it go away right away. So that's one prize. We have a few others like books and other good things. And we have 3 volunteers that were so kind to participate and play with us. Now the game is actually rather hard. Some of the questions might not be easy and they might not know them because they had literally no time to prepare for this. The audience therefore needs to help. So you can shout in if you know an answer, but only before you see somebody hitting a button. Then you need to shut up. Okay? Button pressed, you see this on the screen later, you shut up. Before that, you shout, right? Or you say the answer if you know it, right? Some of the questions they might know themselves and they can answer themselves. So, let's meet today's contestants. We have, applause please. We have Elson. He develops front-end UIs and wants to be the web a much more usable place. From Bangalore, please welcome Princia. She builds scalable backend solutions in Node.js. And originally from Indonesia, but now working in Malaysia, we have Albert. Please applause for Albert. All right, so please get to your buttons. Audience, are you ready? This is our playing field. And we have a few categories. If you have seen Jeopardy, you will be very familiar with this. The first category is ES 2015 plus. The second category, and this is a pun in case you don't get it, Internet Explorer. The third category, tools and frameworks. The fourth category, JSConf. Appropriate, I think. The fifth one, cats. I hope the audience knows a lot about that one. And the last one, Singapore. That's where you all are. Actually, I checked. We have people with 43 different nationalities here today. Applause for you, audience. And now we do one test question. You can win already, but we're just gonna see how that goes because I'm gonna pick the question. After that, the speaker that wins will pick the question. So you want to have your hands on the buzzer, and we're going to start, with, let's see what Internet Explorer has to offer. Internet Explorer 200. Tables with specifically crafted images in the corner cells were a frequent substitution for the lack of this popular CSS property in IE 8. Audience and players. What could be the question to this answer? Shout, audience. If you know, shout. Louder, until they press and know the answer. There we go, Princia. You can make the sound a bit louder so the audience hears it and can actually stop shouting.
Border radius?
You need to formulate it as a question.
Okay.
What is
border radius?
That is correct. What is border radius? There we go. Princia won its first $200. And now you get the gist of the game, yeah? You shout louder, you shout more often until these guys feel self-confident enough to actually press the button. All right, Princia, you can choose the next category.
ES 2015.
4?
200.
200. It is the alternative name of this category that more than 80% of developers still use according to recent polls. You chose the category just now. Alson?
JavaScript.
Not really.
What is JavaScript?
What is EX6?
That is correct. Very good. Very good. All right, you can choose the next.
I'll choose tools and framework. Second one.
The second?
Yes.
Released in 2006, it's the one framework that heavily popularized JavaScript over the next years. An estimated... Albert?
What is jQuery?
Very good. Very good. $400 for Albert. Okay, you choose the next question.
Okay, I'll choose cats, number 6.
For 600?
Ah, yeah, 600.
They're increasingly popular social hangouts around...
What is Cat's Cafe?
Wow. Correct. Cat cafes. You choose the next one.
ES 2015, 300.
300. It provides syntactic sugar for the construction of strings. It works similar to the string interpolation feature in Perl or Python.
Where is interpolation?
What is?
Interpolation.
Interpolation?
Wait,
No.
Where is?
The other two?
Yeah.
What is backticks?
Metrics.
No. Princia, you know?
What is templates?
It's the closest. It's the closest. What is template literally? Very good. Choose the next category.
JSConf and 100.
100?
Yeah, I'm not sure what sort of questions
Okay.
are you.
He's the mascot and holds the name of the place providing hot and caffeinated beverage to this event. Albert.
What is Jimmy Monkey?
That is correct. Next.
I'll choose Singapore, number 300.
This almost $7 billion development, built and reclaimed on build, it has helped. Yeah? God. Elson.
Where is? I just complete. Where is Results and Osa?
No. Now it's easy.
Yeah. This.
Where is
Well, you're not anymore, no.
Oh, okay.
where is Marina?
You need to press first.
Oh, sorry. Where is Marina Bay Sands?
That is correct. Nice. You can choose the other one.
All right, I'll choose Tools and Framework 400.
Scope management becomes the most complex job when maintaining Albert.
What is AngularJS?
That is correct.
Cool.
All right, next.
I love cats, so I'll choose cats number 800.
Cat's 800. Baller. At JSConf.Asia last year, he talked about Dot, and his blonde hair and beard give him a lion-like look. He loves cats.
Who is Pat Scott?
Princia?
Who is Pat Scott?
No. Audience? Clearer, louder. Albert.
Who is Matt Shoulder?
Okay. Wins.
Thank you.
I should have put a picture here so that you would know that. All right. You choose the next.
I'll choose JSCon 400.
JSConf 400. He started JSConf in late 2008 together with his wife in the US and almost had to cancel the event. Just,
Who is Chris William?
that is correct. All right, next one. You can choose, Elson.
ES 2015. 800.
800. Nice. It's a function which can be exited, halted.
What are generators?
You barely read that. What is a generator?
Cool.
Okay. ES 2015 600.
She remains technical here.
Yeah.
Unlike traditional functions, this function shorthand makes the same lexical this. Princia?
What is arrow?
That is correct.
Cool.
Okay. ES 2015 400.
It's a first-class representation of a value that may be made available in the future and is a tool for asynchronous programming.
What is
Princia?
promise?
Now she's on a roll. Awesome. All right.
Okay. Edge Explorer 800.
All right. This alternative rendering technique is used by IE for the sake of maintaining backward compatibility instead of strictly Albert.
What is coffee script?
No. The other two?
What is Quarks mode?
That is correct.
Okay, Internet Explorer 600.
IE 5.5 already shipped a very complete API trying to push modular and reusable code pieces to build websites in your browser similar to this proposed standard. That's a tough one. Does the audience know? IE 5.5, it's a while back, right?
Very complex API trying to push modular and reusable.
Oh, wow. Nobody? Elson?
Wait, iframes?
No.
Try.
Modular and reusable pieces. Maybe think about the standard that does this today, or wants to. I heard it from the audience. Albert.
What is web components?
That is correct.
Thank you.
All right.
I'll choose JSConf 300.
300. They are a local telco and kindly are providing this event with this internet connectivity. Princia. All right,
Sington,
right.
what is-
I heard it already. You can't shout anymore after somebody pressed. The other two. Elson.
Where is my Republic?
Correct. Awesome stuff. Pick the next one.
I will have Cats 100.
Cats 100. It's used by our feline companions to control their body roll and direction during jumps. Albert?
What is cat's legs?
Say that again. Cats?
How many legs does cat have?
No,
No,
not the legs. But body parts is a good direction. The other two?
What is
Alison?
tail? What is tail?
Say again.
What is tail?
What is a cat's tail? That's correct. I thought that was an easy one. Okay, cats. Or maybe not.
Singapore 800.
Singapore 800. Now he wants to make it up. This is the way to order a local coffee with less sugar. Alison.
Siu Dai. What is Siu Dai?
What is Kopi Sudai? He's the only local on the board. Nice. Well done.
ES 2015-100.
All right, now he's getting cautious. Besides his roles as former Mozilla CEO and CTO, he is the creator of JavaScript. Come on, guys. Albert?
Who is Brett Light?
No. Almost. Princia?
Who is Brendan Ike?
Correct. I have applause there too. Great. Just a few more to go.
Okay, Tools and Frameworks 800.
He popularized the data format JSON and developed various
Who is Douglas Crockford?
That is correct.
Ooh.
And at this point, he was actually here 2 weeks ago, and I want to just give you a little hint of his talk, which was phenomenal.
Now, I am about done with JavaScript. You know, it should not have become as important as it did. And the fact that it did is at least partly my fault. Sorry.
All right. So, you choose next.
Internet Explorer 400.
This is the name of the Web Real-Time Communications API only Microsoft Edge implemented so far, skipping
What is
Princia.
WebRTC?
That is correct.
ORTC.
Next.
Okay, Tools and Frameworks 600.
Tools and Frameworks 600. It is often compared with more complete frameworks such as Angular or Ember, although it focuses mainly on Albert.
What is React?
That is correct. You pick next.
I'll take JSConf 200.
Well, again. It is a brewed in Bavaria, Germany, but yes, Albert.
Why is Brew Cafe?
That's correct. You get free ones outside in the fridge, by the way. All right, you pick next.
I'll pick Singapore 200.
Governing Singapore for almost 3 decades, he is recognized as the founding father, Elson.
Who is Lee Kuan Yew?
That is correct. Okay, that seems to be your stronghold, the right category, huh?
Cats 400.
They are said to be the only thing preventing a cat falling back on its feet when strapped on its back.
What
Princia?
are cat toes?
Say that again.
What are cat toes?
Buttered toast
Butter
is
toast.
actually correct. Nice. That was fast. You pick next.
Tools and frameworks, 300.
It was built as a result of the frustrations over working with CommonJS and with inspiration from similar projects. Ooh. Yes, Albert?
What is AMD?
Say again?
Why is AMD required JS?
No. From a similar project like Pear or CPAN in other languages. It's very popular. Princia?
What is NPM?
That's correct.
Thank you.
Now,
Okay, JSConf 800.
Ooh.
it is the latest addition to the JSConf family of events and kicked off successfully in May this year in Europe. Princia?
What is JSConf Budapest?
Well, there you go. There you go. And the next one.
JSConf 600.
JSConf 600. She's going on a winning streak here. It's the name of the first iteration of this conference before it was granted the naming rights to be at JSConf in 2013. Princia?
What is JS Camp?
That is correct.
Okay. Cats 300.
Her gray-blue eyes have frowned on many and made her owner a millionaire. Albert?
What is Grumpy Cat?
Correct.
Internet Explorer 300.
All right. It is the name of the rendering engine that was first introduced with the release of Internet Explorer version 4 in October '97 and was only just recently replaced with the new Edge browser. Albert?
What is Trident?
That is correct. Making the game a little bit more interesting again.
Tools and Framework 100.
Okay, you want to go for the big numbers. Backbone.js popularized this design pattern on the client side in 2010. Princia?
What is MVC?
That is correct.
Ooh.
Pick next.
Singapore 600.
After that, she has essentially won. Once known as the Palau Villa King. Albert?
Sentosa Island. Why is Sentosa Island?
That is correct.
Singapore 100.
Oh, this is not the way to win. Introduced as the logo of the tourism board in '64, this hybrid animal. Albert?
What is Red Lion?
Nope.
Meridian.
Alson?
Where's Malaya?
That is correct. Okay, Singapore 400, go for it.
Okay, Singapore 400.
Singapore's Prime Minister has recently released his C version of this program. Yes?
What is Sudoku?
Sudoku what?
Sudoku solver.
That's correct. If you didn't know, our Prime Minister has too much time, codes C sometimes, and actually released the source code of a Sudoku solver on his Facebook. Why not? The last two, just for completeness.
Cats
Cats 200. It is the ultimate plan of all cats and the main reason our fur friends created the internet. Albert?
You want to rule the world?
Kind of. What is world domination? All right, and the last one. It's the new IE6. Albert?
What is Safari? What is Safari?
Oh, okay, maybe I'm a bit more old school. I'll grant you Safari too, but I was looking for IE8.
New eyes.
All right, thank you so much for playing. This is the empty board. Princia, thanks.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
You won
Thanks for
yourself an
everybody.
iPad Pro. There you go. Fantastic. So, number 2, Albert. You get a good bunch of books. Look at this.
Okay.
So, we have one of my favorites actually. It's If Hemingway Wrote JavaScript by Angus Kroll. It's a very artistic book, actually.
Oh, these are very good books.
Another good one, CSS Secrets from Leah Veru. Just an amazing book. And in case you want to start something with hardware, Make JavaScript Robotics. There you go.
Thank you.
And Elson, for participating, you get a shirt.
Thank you.
Actually, 2 shirts. And one of them is quite interesting. It's I don't know if you can see this, but it's a like Microsoft shirt, and it has a narwhal with a fox on top holding a flag that's poking up bacon. It's amazing. Thank you to the contestants. I think that was really fun.